How to fix Sage 1603 error during installation. 3 quick solutions. Solution 1. Log into Windows as administrator. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start menu and type in Control Panel. Step 2. Open Control Panel and set the view by to large icons. Step 3. Click on Windows Tools and double-click on Computer Management. Step 4. Find local users and groups and click on it. Step 5. Then double-click on Users. Step 6. Now, double-click on Administrator. This will take you to Administrator Properties. Step 7. If the account is disabled option is checked, uncheck it and press OK. Step 8. If you have forgotten the password, right-click on Administrator, select Set Password and set the password. Step 9. If not, close the Computer Management window and click on the Start menu. Step 10. Click on the user account, select Administrator, and log in. Solution 2. Defragment disk. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start menu and type in Defragment. Step 2. Open Defragment and Optimize Drives app. Step 3. In the following window, select the drive you want to optimize and click on Analyze. Step 4. It will automatically analyze the drive first to check if defragmentation is needed. Step 5. Once the analyzing process is complete, click on Optimize. Step 6. While optimizing, you can check the scheduled optimization by clicking on Change Settings. Step 7. Here, you can schedule when the fragmentation can happen automatically and choose the drivers. Step 8. Once the defragmentation process is complete, click on Close. Solution 3. Add exclusion on Windows Defender. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start menu and go to Settings. Step 2. Click on Privacy and Security, then Windows Security. Step 3. Next, click on Virus and Threat Protection, then click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Step 4. Scroll down to Exclusions and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Step 5. Click Yes to allow the app to make changes. Step 6. Now, click on the plus Add an Exclusion button, then select File. Step 7. Select the Sage file and click on Open. Step 8. Close the window once done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 877 469 0298 +44 800 0548 150.